everybody. Marty Richards with Greater Richland Tourism here today. And we have a first of episode for you where we're going to learn a lot today about the Boaz Mastodon, which was one of the very first found, we're going to argue, in North America, but because we didn't say it was the first one found, that's true. So we're going to talk quite a bit about one of the first mastodons found here in North America. And that was in 1897, right here just outside of Boaz in the Greater Richland area. So today I'm real fortunate. I have Gail Dosch here with me. And Gail, the reason you're here is that you're a direct descendant. Your grandfather and his brothers were the ones that actually found the Boaz Mastodon. Is that right?
That's right.
Okay. So can you tell us from your recollection and discussion with your grandpa, what was that story? How'd that go?
Yeah. Well, it was in the spring of the year because they had had a flood and everybody around had cattle. Well, there was a floodgate between their place and which is a hailing snout.
Yep.
And their father sent the boys down to check the floodgate. And when they went down, they, I suppose it was checking out, they looked across and they seen a bone sticking out of the bank. So they went over and dug it up and it was a humongous bone. So they started taking it back to the house or barn, whatever. And he said every time a horse and buggy went by, they hid in the hay so nobody would see them hiding that stuff up.
Yeah.
They put it in the well house. When they had it up there, the only one they told was the mailman, who also had a horse and a buggy. So anyway, Granddad told us if they would have charged a nickel for everybody that stopped to see him, he said they would have made more off of that than they would selling the bone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you really didn't have them out in public in display. The mailman kind of let the cat out.
That's right.
And then the word traveled locally and eventually to Madison. Right?
Yes.
So then what happened when the authorities from Madison showed up?
Well, I see this part is, I don't really know for sure what, other than they came out and checked the land quite a bit because they said that there was arrowheads found with it. I asked Granddad about that and my brother, I should bring him in.
You bet.
And he said that as far as he can remember, there was no arrowheads found.
Okay.
But in the story of the bones, there was arrowheads found.
You bet.
And they thought maybe it was driven there, but we don't. Yeah, no,
that's right.
Yeah.
So what's really nice, two opportunities to learn more about the Boaz Mastodon. Folks can come here. Yes, a museum right here in Boaz that's been built and created and curated by the Boaz Lions Club.
Yes.
And then also that mastodon, along with some bones that I believe were found in Livingston.
Yes.
Can be seen at the State Geology Museum.
Yes.
In Madison.
Yes.
So, okay, good deal. So that's a really interesting story. I really appreciate getting as close as we could to the source of the story.
Sure.
So, Gail, there's actually a third opportunity to learn more about the Boaz Mastodon. And that third opportunity is that marker. It's not right on the spot, but it's pretty darn close to where they found the mastodon bones.
Yes.
Share a little bit of information about that roadside marker.
Okay. My wife, she wanted something for her grandkids, something that they would remember. And the way it was for everybody around to remember it. And you'd be surprised the amount of people that stop and look at it. We had roadside cleanup and I was sitting there and the car pulled up and they read the first electrical place. And then they came over to the Mastodon, and I was sitting there, and they was reading it, and I said, would you like to really know something? And they looked at me sort of funny, and I said, my grandfather was one of them that found it. And my wife, she wanted something there, so my grandkids would have something. Well, my great-great-grandfather, whatever, helped find them bones.
So there is the roadside marker there, kind of tells the story. Been there, I think, since 1995.
I think so.
Right at that ballpark. So that's right on U.S. Highway 40. People can kind of see, and then they're pretty darn close.
Yes.
To where those bones were found.
That's right. That's right.
So, Gail, thank you very much for sharing your information and really your family history with us. Really, really nice to hear that today. So,
I appreciate you coming.
You bet. Thank you. So for Greater Richland Tourism, I'm Marty Richards. Let's everybody have a great day.